I guess it's the great enemy of these, beautiful four-wheel drives that we're putting on the road these days, and the conditions in which we drive them and use them.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about ERPS and how it works.
Well, electronic rust prevention slows or stops the rusting process. So rust is a loss of electrons from steel.
Yep.
So we replace the electrons through a negative charge. Fairly simple system. It's easily installed for yourself, or we do have it installed by ARB to select stores throughout the country. Any vehicle, as you say, is not designed to go on the beach, so it needs some protection. The electronic rust prevention will do 90% of the work for you. Then it comes down to a little bit of elbow grease and washing and looking after your car, normal maintenance.
Yeah, obviously. I mean, it doesn't matter what sort of prevention system you're using. You've got to keep the thing, relatively clean, haven't you? You're not driving it through the ocean.
Well, we try not to.
But try not to. But, I have seen from time to time, we test examples of what you guys do, and, the longevity, which some of these older vehicles, they've really held out in regard to...
Yeah, we've got, believe it or not, we've got a commercial beach fisherman. His vehicle is 15 years old.
Right.
And still using it every day. It's still in good shape, and it's unbelievable. We can't believe it ourselves, the condition it's in.
It is a quality brand, as you say, been around for a long, long time, ERPS, and of course, through ARB, you're able to get hold of this technology.
Absolutely. All the ARB support us very well. They're a great bunch of guys, and they'll be happy to help you out.
For the full range of products, head online or visit your local ARB store.